Local news for Monday the 21st of October. Tenants around the country are facing tough competition and increasing rents, and the number of inquiries on rental listings rose 17% nationwide in the last year, according to the latest Trade Me Rental Price Index. Masterton alone has experienced a 10% jump to $385 a week. Greytown Butchery have picked up 3 awards at the recent New Zealand Sausage Awards. They were awarded silver medals for their beef-flavoured and Moroccan lamb and raisin sausages, and a bronze for their barbecue pre-cooked sausage. Architects Warren and Marnie, who designed Martinborough's Waihinga Centre, have another library project on their hands. They've been commissioned to prepare the concept plan and progressing the building and floor plan and concept design elements for the planned new Marlborough District Library and Art Gallery. And in sport, the Ferries Wairarapa Bush have gone down 27-25 in a thriller in Oamaru. The team can be proud, however, finishing third up 3 places from last season. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.